everyone, welcome back to our channel. We recently posted a video where we poured this bowl using Jesmonite AC100. If you haven't watched it already, we'll link it on the screen for you. Go ahead and watch the video first. We'd poured this bowl during a Jesmonite workshop. After just half an hour, it was ready to demold. It was still a bit warm, so you may notice some sweat marks, but this is completely normal and will go away the longer it sits to cure. We made sure to go around the mould to loosen it and create an air pocket, so it made it easier to demold this piece. Because it was still warm, it is possible to break the Jesmonite piece, so we were very careful when demolding. Workshop was on a Saturday, so come Monday morning we sealed the bowl. You'll see that the rim of the bowl had a slight metallic finish. This was because we used a metallic paint pen that we got from Officeworks and coloured the surface in. Once that had completely dried down, we then applied a generous coat of our U RESIN wax onto a microfiber cloth and began to rub the wax into the bowl on every surface. We also weighed the bowl, which took about 855 grams of mixed Jesmonite AC100. If you've ever visited our retail store, then you've probably seen this bowl. We use it as our lolly bowl that customers are welcome to enjoy. We will link all of the products we used in the description box below. If you have any questions about the products we used or about the process, please leave us a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for weekly videos. We'll see you in the next one.